How long did I play? Today is Monday. I went to the ballpark at 10 o'clock. I played baseball until 11 o'clock. How long did I play the baseball? You have played baseball for 1 hour. Today is Tuesday. I went to the pool at 2 o'clock. I swam until 4 o'clock. How long did I swim? You have swum for 2 hours. It is Wednesday. I went to the soccer field at 9 o'clock. I played soccer until 12 o'clock. How long did I play soccer? You have played soccer for 3 hours. Today is Thursday. At 2 o'clock, I went to the tennis court. I played tennis until 4 o'clock. How long did I play the tennis? You have played the tennis for 2 hours. On Friday, I went to the ice rink. I played hockey from 2 o'clock until 5 o'clock. How long did I play hockey? You have played hockey for 3 hours. Now it is Saturday. I went fishing at 8 o'clock. I fished until 2 o'clock. How long did I fish? You have fished for 6 hours. Today is Sunday. I went to the beach I played in the sand from 11 o'clock until 2 o'clock. How long did I play? You have played for 3 hours.
好了，好。